Hi, I'm Robin.
And I'm Heather.
And we're here from Tasting Table at the Enchanted Rose at the Grand Floridian Resort with Evan of the Walt Disney World beverage team, here to tell us about all things drinks.
So Evan, when you think Disney, you don't necessarily think high-end cocktails or really even drinking because you think family fun, Disney. But there actually are quite a lot of beverage options here at the park. Can you tell us a little bit about what goes into making the program and kind of how it really got started?
Yeah, absolutely. That's one of our favorite things to hear. And I would even venture to say that this is a wonderful place for everyone in the family to get something special. You know, our beverage program has great non-alcoholic specialty drinks that children might enjoy. Or maybe you just don't want to have a cocktail. So we have zero proof cocktail options that are delicate and elegant, but don't happen to contain any alcohol. And then you do have several amazing craft cocktail opportunities, both at parks and resorts. And I think that's what makes Walt Disney World special, is that we have an element for every experience. From a non-alcoholic standpoint, we really have a bounty of amazing ingredients to choose from. So there will be drinks that all guests can have that are non-alcoholic specialty drinks. Things using teas, coffee, are really elevated takes on maybe some of those familiar favorites. And then we also have non-alcoholic spirits. So we have several cocktails on property that use non-alcoholic spirits that are made with amazing ingredients and beautiful garnishes that really resemble a true cocktail experience as well, that just happen not to contain any alcohol.
So you have zero proof spirits. If I was to go to a bar and order a gin and tonic or a margarita, and would I be able to get it with one of those zero proof spirits?
Right now, yeah, we're proud to say that there are many locations across property that do offer non-alcoholic spirits.
And that's so great because it does get so hot here. So you're walking around, you're enjoying the park, you maybe have a beer, a cocktail, you eat a lot of salty food, and then you're like, have I had any water today? So it's just nice to know, to be able to order something that still feels elevated, still feels adult, still gives you that satisfying like cocktail hour,
Right.
but gives your body a little bit of a break and rehydrates you before you get straight back into the action.
Yeah.
Agreed. I can tell you that one of my personal favorites is at Epcot. When you go to Connections Eatery, they have a watermelon agua fresca that has cold pressed watermelon juice, some agave and lime. When you talk about something refreshing in the parks, that's what I want to have when I'm going, out on a hot day.
So Evan, can you tell us about some of your can't miss cocktails at the parks?
Absolutely. For can't miss cocktails, I would say that the Grand Gin Tonic at the Grand Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort is incredible. I love that one. If you're ever at Magic Kingdom and Jungle Skipper Canteen, Jungle Bird, one of my favorite cocktails of all time, they do an excellent one. And then here at Enchanted Rose, things like the Lavender Fog are just incredible. Great takes on classic cocktails as well as some modern twists. Really excited to be able to share with you today my friend Raphael, the proprietor of Enchanted Rose, here with some selections for you.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
This is the Lavender Fog.
Oh, great.
And the
So this is the
rosemary
one that
cool.
we just talked about.
Yes, that is.
You want to taste something?
Yeah, you
first?
want to? Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to try the rosemary coulis.
Wow. It's very floral. It's also sort of creamy. It's very good.
Yeah. And there's
So
a little
what
bit
goes
of,
into this? Yeah.
there's a little bit of tea in it, and then
Yes.
Raphael can share some of the
So we have
beautiful
some,
accents.
an aromatic gin, also some creme de violet.
Yeah, that's
We
what
use
I'm
some of
tasting.
the black tea as well with some vanilla syrup.
It's delicious.
Very refreshing and delicious.
And this is a non-alcoholic option?
And this is a non-alcoholic option, absolutely. What we did, we grabbed the rosemary, we infused it with some citrus juice, and then we added some vanilla flavor to it, so and a little bit of salt.
Wow, it's fantastic. You can really taste the rosemary in it. I love it.
Do you want to try this one?
Oh, yeah.
Little botanical switch off. They're also both really pretty, really
Oh my
pretty
God, they're
drinks.
gorgeous.
I mean, they have cute little botanical elements in both of them.
Yeah, well, I don't think you could ever accuse Disney of not doing things that are aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah, executed to perfection.
Yes, of course. This is amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for sharing them with
So
us.
fantastic. We might have to stick around and try some more American specialty
Yeah.
Sure.